There. Okay. All you have to do is to play it with your pointy finger. Okay, this is C. Repeat after me. This is C. What's this? C. D. E. F. G. Then A. B. C. Again from the top. C. Repeat after me. C. C. What's next? C. Next. E. Oh, go. Eyes on the keyboard. E. Oh, on your own. Next note. F. G. Make it gentle. A. B. C. Very good. Now we're gonna play. Do you know the song Twinkle Twinkle Little Star? Have you heard that song? Do you want me to sing it with you? Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Do you know that one? Okay, we're gonna start from G. This is G, yeah? Where's your pointy finger? There you go. Oh, we're gonna play it with here. It's G, D. Wait. Again. It's B. Where's B? Again. Oh, no, it's not your turn. Kanina, ayaw mo. Okay. C. Let's start. C.
Tuturo ko yan sa ate mo.
Okay. Okay. C. Okay. One last time. One. C. Again. C. One last time. Again. Siya'y natuloy. Again.
Kuya, wag ka kasing patarukan.
Yes. Again.
Okay.
Oh. Sit like a princess. I should be pressed with your right hand. Where's your right hand? There. And then where's your pointy finger? There. Okay. One. This is C. Again. 1, 2, 3, go. Ayun. Bakit ayaw na? Oh, again.
Again, C. Come on, I see.
Oh, let's switch this off. Oh, it's off na. Go. Again.
Nag-i-imagine na siya eh. Nag-i-imagine na siya tumutugtog, teacher.
Hindi, kailangan mo muna mag one finger and then
gusto na lahat.
Parang mas gusto na kita kaysa kay Kuya Conan.